In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project automations on Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to add a ready-made automation to a project board and map it to the right people column so it runs reliably in the background. Start by opening the project board you want to automate. Make sure you're on the correct board, since automations are created at the board level and only affect items here. Give the page a moment to load fully so all menu options are available. Next, click the highlighted menu area in your view. Depending on your account layout, this appears near the top of the board and opens the board tools. From that menu, choose Connections. This section is where Monday.com centralizes integrations and automation features, so it's the right place to build rules that save you time. Inside Connections, select Explore Integrations. This opens the gallery of options, including native automations and connectors. Then switch to Automations. The Automations view includes a library of templates with common triggers and actions, like when a status changes, notify someone, or when a date arrives, move an item. Templates are a great starting point because they already include the building blocks you need. Find a template that fits your workflow and click Use Template. You'll be taken to the configuration screen where you can tailor the rule. When you're ready, click Create Automation to proceed to the field mapping step. Here, the rule may reference a person field. Click the person placeholder to tell Monday.com which column on your board represents the people assignment. From the list, choose Assignee. This maps the automation to your board's people column, so notifications, ownership changes, or assignments go to the right teammate. With the fields mapped, click Create Automation again to save and activate it. You should see a confirmation indicating the rule is now part of your board's active automations. If you ever need to tweak it, you can return to this area to edit or pause it without deleting. To wrap up, click the highlighted area shown on your screen to close the setup panel and return to your board view. A few quick tips as you work. Pick templates that mirror how your team already manages items to minimize rework. Keep column names like Assignee consistent across boards to make mapping straightforward, and make sure you have the necessary board permissions to create automations. Clear naming helps too. Rename the automation so it's easy to recognize later in your automations list. That's it. You've created a project automation on Monday.com, mapped it to the Assignee column, and activated it for your board.